Hi, and welcome to 3732 Lake Shore Road in Fallbrook, California. This home is located in the beautiful community of Lake Rancho Viejo. I'd like to show you around, so come on in and check it out. This beautiful home features a nice sized living room with a fireplace that opens up to the kitchen and dining area. All of the windows downstairs are adorned with plantation shutters. The upstairs features a built-in loft desk at the top of the stairs, full-size laundry room, kids' bedrooms with Jack and Jill bathroom, and a master suite. Located on a cul-de-sac with a premium lot, the backyard features a patio cover, large stamped concrete patio, and a nice-sized backyard. I hope you enjoyed your tour today. If you have any questions about this home, or if you'd like to see some more information, give us a call at 760-849-4401 or visit us online at benchmarksocal.com.